are violating her rights. Get a supervisor on scene now. No, now. Release her. Get a supervisor. She can stand right there. She's not going anywhere. Bullshit, unlawful detainment. Unlawful detainment. What is your reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime?
Officers Willis and Hughes responding to a call about a possible physical disturbance involving a family with a 12-year-old daughter. The family denies any violence. Police request identification under Texas Penal Code 38.02, but the family repeatedly asks what crime they're suspected of. When officers attempt to separate the daughter for questioning, she refuses to go with a male officer without a parent or legal representative. Officer Hughes then physically restrains and handcuffs the girl, despite no evidence of a crime. The family protests, claiming unlawful detention and violation of constitutional rights, demanding a supervisor and threatening legal action for the treatment of their minor child. Watch the whole clip and please support this auditor by subscribing to his channel. The link is in the description.
We got called about a physical disturbance. We had people that witnessed y'all being physical with one another.
No.
Never happened?
No.
Is there any reason why someone would believe that y'all are being physical with one another?
Not that I can think of.
What's your name, sir?
What crime am I suspected of?
Excuse me?
Texas Penal Code 3802. What crime am I suspected of?
I'm not necessarily sure what you're asking me. I explained to you why we're here. We got a call about a physical disturbance between both of you.
No. There's no physical disturbance between us.
Okay. I'm just letting you know that's why we were called here.
Yes.
Okay. And what is your name and date of birth?
What am I being arrested for?
You're not arrested. You're just detained right now due to the call that we're here.
This is not a traffic stop. So, what am I being...
For service.
We didn't call you for service.
Someone else called about a physical
I don't...
between you guys.
Was it an anonymous call or who was the witness?
Yeah. Okay. So
What is your reasonable articulable suspicion?
Not arrested. Again, we got
Texas Penal Code 38.02.
Yes, sir. I'm not sure why you keep repeating that. I'm explaining to you we are here
Because it's a
lawfully.
state law regarding ID.
Okay.
So I should not have to. That don't matter.
Okay. Do you want to talk about the disturbance or not?
I told you there was no disturbance.
Okay. So I have to write a report. I need your name.
No, you don't.
Here for a lawful reason.
That don't mean jack diddly poop.
Maybe to you it doesn't.
Under the law, it doesn't, ma'am.
Are you a lawyer? Are you going to school for law?
I've had plenty of experience. I'm 49 years old, just turned 49.
So you realize
I'm a United States Navy veteran.
there are children in there?
Yes, we have a 12-year-old daughter.
Okay.
Almost 13.
Again, we were called here lawfully. We're on here for a call for service. But
All for service means nothing.
She wants to see Ursula, so I'm gonna grab Ruby and bring Ursula out here.
Whatever.
Okay, I can think of this way. You and Ursula got into it out here because I wasn't even involved in that. Ursula.
Walk back here with me. We'll walk to the back.
Hey, Mike, yeah.
You need to walk to the back.
She's 12 years old and she doesn't have to be questioned without the accompaniment of the parent.
There are some
She can have my mom. She can have her mom go back with her
Okay, that's fine.
if that's what she chooses. But if she does not choose to go back there with you, by law, she does not have to.
So we have the authority when people are being detained to put them where we want them for the safety of the security of our investigation.
And what
Doing right
reasonable, articulable suspicion that you have that your safety is
Say safety, I said security of the investigation.
and you're talking kind of referring to Pennsylvania v. Mims, which refers to traffic stops,
That's not
which
what
is
I'm referring to. It's referring to security of an investigation. We're going to come back to it.
what about her personal security?
I don't know.
You're a male.
That's fine. Everything's on camera. It's fine.
I don't mean squat. Cops violate all the time on camera. Whoa! Whoa! Hughes, back off! Why are you arrested? What the hell are you doing?
He just wants to talk to her.
That don't... Willis? That is considered assault and battery, unwanted touching. And she is a minor. Ursula, unclench your fist.
I'll tell you what. What if we go to the picnic table where you can still see?
She doesn't want to leave the accompaniment of a parent. And you do not have the legal right to question a minor without the parents or a legal representative present.
So we can once you come out, you can do that.
Where's her lawyer? She has an attorney.
We need a lawyer right now.
Oh, bullshit! Bullshit!
You trying to make everything.
It's called...
Security.
Oh, so you don't believe in the Constitution? Did you not swear an oath to the Constitution? She has a Fifth Amendment right.
Right.
And a Sixth Amendment right. What? Right? What, you say rights don't matter?
That's not what I said. But she has a right, not a requirement. It's two different things.
Right means it is a requirement, as in you cannot take it away.
Okay. Right. So let's go walk over that picture.
She has the right to refuse, Officer Hughes.
Does not.
What is she being arrested for? Bullshit, that's an unlawful detainment. What the hell are you doing to a 12-year-old? What the hell are you doing to a 12-year-old? Seriously, she's 12. She's a minor. You are violating her rights. Get a supervisor on scene now. No, now. Release her. Get a supervisor. She can stand right there. She's not going anywhere.
You're the one that's already me. Why are you watching me?
Bullshit. It's unlawful detainment. Unlawful detainment. What is your reasonable articulable suspicion of a crime? What crime? What crime? Peggy? Oh, 911 request a supervisor. Call your attorney now. They just put her in handcuffs. They're refusing to walk with them. Hughes put his hands on her. The male cop put his hands on her.
Two supervisors on the way, okay? Your daughter's not in any trouble. We just have to.
So why the hell did he put his hands on her?
We need to conduct our cooperative, we have to separate you.
That don't mean shit. We have the right to not be cooperative. It's called the right to remain silent. Do you know how many freaking oaths y'all are violating? How many constitutional rights? I thought Austin trained better than this. You're even violating the Eye Care Act, your policies. Yes, you are, Officer Willis.
Right, so again, we have supervisor coming that can speak to you, okay? And elaborate further. Okay.
And as a father, I will do what it takes to protect my child from unlawful hands from another man.
Okay.
You understand that, Hughes?
Yes, I do.
I have every right to self-defense and self-defense of a third party, such as my child. And you went hands-on.
Yes, I did.
You escalated.
Okay.
Did you take to your escalation training, or did Officer Golden teach you how to behave, be a cop?
I don't know an Officer Golden. There are lots of different de-escalation courses. Tried to explain exactly what we needed from him and from you.
And we have the right not to talk to you. And
You didn't need. I wasn't asking for communication at that point.
oh, you were just so unlawful detainment and unlawful arrest, and then you assaulted and battered my daughter.
Okay.
And I've got it on. I'm recording.
Well, no.
Yes. Excuse me if I stand at an angle, it gets both you and Officer Will. Why do y'all have to escalate? Based upon an anonymous phone call.
I'm not going to get into the exact call that you got. So you had a reliable witness, not an anonymous one.
Oh, yeah? Oh, let me guess. She works for CPI, which means they're stalking us in violation of the court order. CPS, CPI, Department of Children and Family Services.
I don't think that was our caller, but I don't know. Maybe.
Well, maybe you should verify who it is that called.
That wasn't me. That's it. It was verified before we got here.
And maybe you should find out exactly what the hell they supposedly allege we did. Do a fucking investigation.
That's what we're in the middle of doing.
No. Harassing people is not investigating. Putting your hands on my daughter is not investigating.
Well, I tried to explain the security of our investigation. I mean, there to be separated.
Security of an investigation.
Yes.
What the hell law is that?
What law is that?
Yeah, what law says you have a security to an investigation? Where's your warrant?
I need a warrant to.
In order to be able to detain and secure, as you say, you need a warrant.
I need a warrant to detain someone.
To arrest or upon probable cause of a crime, not, oh, security of an investigation. That is not a crime. What law is that? What crime does it become? Is that a felony? Is that a misdemeanor? Is that a traffic infraction? What is it, Officer Hughes?
I'm sorry, I've got other people talking in my ear at the same time, so flip it over to me. But we don't have a traffic infraction.
Obviously.
For required identification or whatever you were mentioning with that earlier. You're right, you're not required to ID. So I don't know what.
How long have y'all been on the force? Less than 6 months? Y'all are both behaving like you're fresh out of the academy.
Okay. So I've been here with APD for almost 2 years now, with a total of 7 years in law enforcement.
Oh, woohoo. Yeah, it's because you're improperly trained somewhere else.
Okay.
Why'd you leave your other department?
Because I got a better job here. There's no disciplinary actions if that's what you're trying to get at.
Were there any possibly pending? Did you leave in lieu of an investigation? Because the way you just put your hands on a 12-year-old female child, Officer Hughes, do you feel proud of yourself putting your hands on a 12-year-old female child like that? Just because she did not want to go off with you alone?
So it's never a good day when we have to put hands on people. I tried to give you.
Oh, so you think it's okay to put it on my daughter? Put your hands on my daughter.
Okay, in what sense?
Well, obviously you have a complex, sir.
Okay. I'm just trying to understand what you're saying.
That you think that you got to put your hands on a female child. And you knew ahead of time she was a child, a minor. You didn't even give the opportunity to ask the mother if she would go as a witness. You immediately put your hands on her before she even had a chance to ask her mother.
So I even told her that.
Did you not listen to what the hell I was telling you before you put your hands on my daughter?
I heard everything that you were saying. You were trying.
Obviously not. I said maybe she'll go with her mother, and then but because I made that suggestion, put your hands on my daughter immediately after I said that. Now there's something wrong with that.
That's your opinion of how it happened. That's okay, but I gave her the opportunity.
I've got it recorded.
Okay. I told her if she wanted to go inside and get her mother, come out to do that, then we could do that. And she stayed on the step but didn't go inside.
You didn't give her a chance to do shit. You closed the gap and put your hands on her arm twice. 3 times, and then the 4th time was that you cuffed her. Let's see ETA on the supervisor.
I don't know.
Can you request it, please?
I certainly can. I know. The ETA has been requested. My corporal is 2 minutes away.
Corporal,
Yes.
I want a sergeant.
Thank you for watching. If you believe in holding public officials accountable and protecting your rights, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It motivates us to bring you more eye-opening videos like this. The original video links are in the description. Check them out and support the creators. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and always record. We'll see you in the next video.